If you ever see one of these things, they're actually pretty cool. It's called the groundhog, the weed hog. Actually, is that ground?
Ground dog.
Hound dog. Oh, the brand is Hound Dog. This is called the Weed Hound. I can't read. This is called the Weed Hound. But this is what this thing does. Let me show you. It's got these little. I don't even know how to work it. See that? We found this at a guy's house and we're playing around with it. But you put it in there, push it down, it grabs the weed, pulls it out. So let's give it a shot. Put it over the middle of it, put that down, pull that thing up. Look at that. Pull the weed right out of there. Let's do another one. It actually works pretty good. So, you want to pimp cool weeds the easy way? Use the Weed Hound.